What are the minimum balance requirements for credit union accounts? If you're considering opening an account at a credit union and wondering about the minimum balance requirements, you're in the right place. Let's break down the details to help you make an informed decision. When you open a checking or savings account at a credit union, you usually need to make an initial deposit. This amount can vary significantly depending on the credit union and the type of account you're opening. For example, at California Credit Union, the minimum deposit to open a personal checking account is $25. However, there are some exceptions. If you're a student, you might only need a deposit as low as $1.01 to open your account. For a bank-on checking account, the minimum opening balance is just $1. At Los Angeles Federal Credit Union, to establish membership, you need to open a regular share savings account with a minimum opening deposit of $10, which includes a $5 savings account deposit and a $5 membership fee. After 6 months, you need to maintain a $50 balance in this account to avoid a monthly fee. Some credit unions have different requirements for different types of accounts. For instance, at Stanford Federal Credit Union, most personal checking accounts have no minimum balance requirements. However, their interest-earning Premier Spending account requires a $2,500 minimum balance to avoid the monthly fee. It's also important to note that while the initial deposit is necessary to open the account, there may be additional balance requirements to avoid monthly service fees or to qualify for certain benefits. For example, at California Credit Union, you need a minimum balance of $10,000 to earn dividends on your checking account. When opening an account, it's a good idea to ask about the minimum balance requirements and any associated fees. You should find out how much you must keep in the account to avoid or reduce fees, known as the minimum balance requirement. This amount may not be the same as the initial deposit needed to open the account. In summary, the minimum balance requirements for credit union accounts vary by institution and account type. Always check the specific requirements for the credit union and account you're interested in to ensure you meet all the necessary conditions.